Hello everybody, the requestment of time. In relation to the deploy, it will pin at the door to complete the task. If the task is EG 892149464241 by the board of the fifth moon, it may divert itself into the east side. The east side of the hemisphere, based upon the version of the element, it will shine the sun through. But if the core is EG 892149464241 by the board of the fifth moon, it may divert itself into the east side. The east side of the hemisphere, based upon the astronaut, learning the program will isolate 243, which is the message of the component. In time, the version of A38921464241 by the board of the third moon, it may switch off to the mode of the artificial intelligence to work out wind graph. In time, the division for the complexity of network 3 is always within the machine. The machine is EG1829. I'm going to start installing macOS on WMware workstation. Let's see if this version works. It's the leopard. So let's see if this works. The function of the order will be the rejoice of the material to transcript itself into the fifth moon. The fifth moon may be the way in by the border. In so, the division is ACF3. No, that's work. Okay. Thank you.